Right viewers, we're in Agaka, Cyprus, and this is the walk round video I promised you. It's July the 8th, 2026. Agaka, Cyprus. Right, so like I say, these are two houses that have been connected. Well, that's one house over there, that's another house over here, so I'll show you this one. We're staying in this one. This is our friends Mark and Gail's house, but we're staying in this one. So this is like the kitchen area, I think, of the. That's where I've just come through. Just come through there. So this is like a. It's a work in progress still. They're still doing different things to it. So he's saying this kitchen's coming out. All this is coming out. They're not using this anymore. I think this is going to be some sort of like dining room or something. I'm not sure. And then this is our bedroom. We stayed in here last night. It's dead nice. All the blinds are shut because it's so hot. So apologies for everything that's lying around as well. It's just the way it is. Absolute light in the bathroom. So you got like an ensuite. Nice. It's lovely. Big shower. Dead good shower actually. Toilet, sink, dead nice. One thing that struck by when you come in here, look how high the ceilings are. You know, I'll show you a thing. You can get a feel for it. Right, here's a normal door, 6'6" door, right? There's the top of your door. Look how high up the ceilings are. They've got to be what? Got to be 9-10 feet that. Loads of storage. Right, so that's our bit. This bit's our side, and then you've got another bedroom here, which is like we set up doing ironing and stuff like that. But it's got a bed there, got storage. You could get another couple of people in here, and then another bathroom. That's just like a family bathroom. Anybody can use that one. And then this is Mark and Gail's room. Nice bedroom. Again, mirror image. Another bathroom on the other side. And then this is like the other dining room side. But bit of a utility, a massive fridge, huge fridge. Bit of a utility, coffee station, very nice. Look at this. Look at the size of this. That's that mad piano sink. I've done a video about that if you want to catch it. Really nice kitchen. This is brilliant though. We had breakfast here today. So really nice space. It's good for sitting around, that sort of thing. And you still got all this space as well. And Mark was saying he thinks he's going to live here in this bit in winter. This will be the bit where they live in winter in this bit. And then another patio door, so that brings you back out onto the pool and that. So, as promised, that's your interior view of these two bungalows that are becoming a single house. And just before we leave, viewers, who's that artist who's drawn that? That's amazing. That's an original as well. You saw it here first.